How to make text transparent in Google Slides. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you are new here, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell to not miss any updates. So let's dive right in. Open up your Google Chrome and then head over to the 9 dots in the top right corner and then search for Slides. Tap on it, and then once your Google Slides open up, look for the slide that you want to work on, tap on it, and then now let me tell you that to make your text transparent, you'll need to insert a word art. So for that, go to Insert and then go to Word Art and then put in your word. And then just hit Enter. Now what you need to do is you need to go to the fill color and then go to solid and change the color to black or gray. I prefer gray. And then go to transparent. Now, there you go. It's as simple as that to make your text transparent in Google Slides. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more tips and tricks. Thank you for watching.